Look at this dude.
Baby boy, we need to talk. Your boy Cassper Nyovest is confusing the nation. Men switch careers more than gqom switch the lights off. Nah, chill, bro. You're on your haters vibes this early. Cassper is versatile, men's a hustler. Hip hop, pop, Amapiano, now streaming. He's exploring, bro. Explore. He exploring like Dora with no map, no boots, no backpack. Just vibes and confusion. Not Dora, bro. Yes, Dora. And Swiper stole his career path. He gave us dog laser. Now you wanna give us Minecraft tutorial? What's next? Cassper the chef dropping receipts on TikTok. Nah, Buzz. It's just evolving. Look at Drake. He's sweet generous too, bro. Drake sweet generous. Cassper switch personalities. I don't know if I should call him a rapper, a boxer, or a Twitch partner. That nigga is every job in career junction. Aware, Buzz. But he putting food on the table though. Baby boy, he confused even his plate. There's hip hop for start, gqom for main, and Amapiano for dessert. Man's whole career is a buffet without a waiter. Cassper be like on his stream. Yo guys, welcome to my stream. Today we're fighting ghosts on Minecraft. Then drop a piano beat about it and end it with a motivational tweet. Now I'm saying, it's your boy Cass. Nah, Buzz. You can't hate on growth, bro. Cassper is doing what he loves. Nah, baby boy. Men's career GPS says turn left onto TikTok Avenue. Then sharp right into Piano Street. Then you turn back onto Hip Hop Highway. Even was a give up.
Right.
Yo, you're not okay, bro. Here's the problem, baby boy. South Africans respected him when he stood for hip hop. Now it's like he's dipping his toes in every culture for clout. Some guys feel robbed. Piano guys confused. Hip hop heads, they feel abandoned. Maybe, but he's still rapping South Africa globally. Rapping? Baby boy, he's rapping like a broken road signal. One day he's Cassie rap. The next day, he's Amapiano London tour. Even his fans need campus. Okay, sharp, Buzz. You cooked me. I'll admit it's confusing us, but we still jam dog Shabaleza at groove though. Ah well, baby boy. That one's forever hit. I just wish he'd stop switching careers like me switching data providers every weekend.
It is what it is.
Facts. Last week you were a forex trader. This week I'm a motivational speaker. Next week, Twitch stream loading. Look. Cassper on the street, Cassper on the beat, Cassper on the kitchen, dropping receipts with the heat.